Hi, welcome back to Tushar GFX. I am Saiful Tushar. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove anything from a photo using Photoshop. Let's get started with the tutorial, and I hope that you will enjoy this technique. At first, open your image, then press Ctrl J Command J on the Mac to duplicate the layer so that you can come back to the original layer just in case if you make a mistake. So with the duplicate active, I'm going to select the lasso tool, which allow me to freehand a selection. So I am going to trace a selection around the subject. You don't have to be very precise, but try to get as much of the original pixel as possible. You can hold Alt option on the Mac and click and drag to subtract from this selection. Or you can hold Shift, click and drag to add to the selection. So I am just going to quickly refine the selection. Once you have selection active, you can hold Shift and backspace to bring up the fill dialog box. Select content aware under content and click on the color adaptation. Then make sure mode is normal and opacity 100%. Then press enter. Photoshop will analyze the pixels surrounding the selection to generate the fill. It's not going to be perfect fill, but that's okay. Press Ctrl D Command D on the Mac to deselect. What we are going to do now is select the patch tool. Make sure normal is selected under patch and that source is selected. Then we can simply click and drag on those blurry areas and sample from a similar area. You should take your time to refine tuning the adjustment. So now look at this photo. There is some problem area. To me, the easiest way to fixing this area is by using clone stamp tool. Make sure mode is normal, opacity 100, flow 100 and content below is selected. Make a new layer, always make a new layer. Use the right bracket key to increase the size and left bracket key to decrease. Hold Alt option on the Mac and click on sample from the area and start painting away those areas it don't work on photo. Take your time when you are working on an image. Now look at the image. After turning all these different adjustments, how quickly we are able to remove any object from an image using Photoshop. Here before, here after. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel and turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching my videos and I will see you at next tutorial.